tightened up the screw that stops it from going too far towards the frame, which is this one here. The other one is quite high up, so I'm just going to select through the gears. Okay, I'm just adjusting the 3-speed on this bike. I've amended the inner grub screw, which is this one here, which stops it from going too far towards the frame. It's pulled it out a little bit. I'm just changing it back down. That's gear number, that's the smallest gear. 1, 2, 3 is the way I look at it. So it's 1, 2 and 3. So put it to the middle and crank the pedals over. There you go, it's in the middle gear. I crank again and turn the pedals over. You see it goes into the 3rd gear. If I keep rotating and keep cranking, it's staying there. Oh no, it's just slipping off over the top. So if it's slipping off over the top, that's my cue then to adjust the outer screw. Push that screw in a little tighter, and that reduces the limit that front derailleur can skip out. I'm actually going to just drop it down a gear, give it a couple of more turns. Right, let's crank the pedal and see what we've got now. It should be dropping down into the 2nd gear. There you go, 2nd gear. We crank the lever, pull over the crank, and here you go, it's clicked. It's in 3rd gear. It's staying in that 3rd gear now. That's because we've adjusted that limiter.